So what these are, this is a set of saddlebags for a motorcycle, or like I have, a moped style e-bike here. Now they got these are designed for like a dual sport, a cruiser style that you would just kind of throw over the back of the seat, but you can see how these moped style bikes are. And I've been wanting to have some sort of like saddlebag that I can put on here, because as you can see with this move can, you know, there's not much storage on this. So I'm going to give these things a try. I got them in just like this. They came in this little bag here, and a little set of instructions. Looks pretty simple. You just throw the Velcro over the top and then maybe latch it on somewhere under here, and they'll be good to go. So let me go ahead, put these things on, then we'll come back and I'll go over what they look like while they're on. Okay, there it is. I just got them installed. So there's an R and an L. So there's an R on that side and an L on that side. So you know that they're left and right, and you see how they're facing. So these are going that way, the opening, and you watch this. These have a little bit of Velcro right here. Look at the amount of storage now that I've added on this little moped style bike. You just grab it like that. We've got storage down here in this pocket, and then this large one right down here, it actually goes around. This is an expansion. Check this out. That way, look, it expands even larger. Look at all of the storage that you got on this. And what I did, I actually went right off the fender and then right off the actual shock right here. So all of it's actually on there better than I thought it would go on there. It's on there solid, everybody. I followed the instructions. It looks like they give you a little extra here if you want to go under like this. If you had a bike that had a longer seat on there, you could go right like that. And this is the little rain shield. Let me show you what this looks like. So if it starts raining on you and you need to get out real quick, just put your little rain shield on. Check that out. Those are on there. It probably goes on a little better if I messed around with it. So you'd put these little rain shields on. But yeah, this is something I recommend for anyone that just needs a good, affordable set of like maybe saddlebags for an e-bike or motorcycle or something like that. I'm going to definitely be using these amongst my travel and carrying a lot of gear, whether it's tools or just random stuff on my, you know, my travels here on my little e-bike here. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the KEMIMOTO. The KEMIMOTO, sounds Japanese, saddlebags, motorcycle saddlebags, actually e-bike saddlebags. See you on the next video.